ushobora kundangira ahantu haba hari restroom
zirimo hano ukinjira hano ku muryango.
Narwaye mu nda byatari. Narwaye mu nda wallahi. Sorry. Narwaye mu nda hanyishe man. Uza hano hari toilet. Mu nda haranje. Hey guys, abakunzi ba Papa Legend TV, uyu munsi ugiye gukora aga prank ya ko gufartinga cyangwa se gusura. Dufite hano rero ibyuma turi buze gukoresha, ngira ngo mwe murabibona. Navuga ngo urakanda just urakanda ubundi bagasohora ijwi nyine rya fart. So nizere ko muri buze kwinjoyinga. Murakoze cyane. Cheers. Ushobora kundangira ahantu haba hari restroom
zirimo hano ukinjira hano ku muryango.
Narwaye mu nda byatari. Narwaye mu nda wallahi. Sorry. Narwaye mu nda. Ndumva mu nda hanyishe man. Uza hano hari toilet. Munda haranje. Hello.
Oh, what's up?
Ite.
What's up?
Uza hano haba hari toilet man.
Imbere.
Mu nda haranyishe byatari man.
Ndakwishyura.
Oh yeah? Shit. Sorry for the one. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, ushobora kumbwira ahantu haba hari toilet. Mani banarwaye mu nda byatari.
Oh.
Yeah. Shit. Sorry nyanganiye ko ndimo ndasura. Nyanganiye nuko narwaye mu nda. Shit. Come on, man. Munda haranje, man. Oh, sorry. Uza ahantu haba hari toilet.
Winjiye hano gute?
Ni ukuri narwaye mu nda we. Narwaye mu nda. Ne mama.
Nigenda winjira mu nda.
Ni ukuri narwaye mu nda. Ushobora kunyereka? Narwaye mu nda mama. Narwaye mu nda.
Do you
know where there is a restroom?
I'm not sure. I know I think down here there's a porta potty.
My stomach is hurting, man. Shit.
Oh, yeah, down there. Go down there. Go down there.
Shit. You said right there?
Yeah, down. There's a little brick shack down there on the left. That's where you go.
Shit. Thank you. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah. Do you know where there is a toilet?
There's a toilet that way. Sounds like you probably need to go.
Shit. My stomach hurting, man. I wanna go to poop.
I want to say hi to your puppy.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah. Do you know where there is a restroom?
No, I don't.
I wanna pee. I wanna pee real quick. I feel bad. For real?
I don't know.
Hello. Do you know where there is a restroom?
A restroom?
Yeah.
I have no idea, man. My dog may act weird around here. I'm sorry.
I feel like I wanna pull.
I'm very sorry, but my dog's gonna act a little weird. I'm sorry, man.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, what's this?
Hello.
What's this? Hi, how are you?
Yeah. Do you know where there is a restroom? I wanna pull. I feel bad.
Oh, yes, so sorry.
Shit. You don't know?
No.
Thank you. Oh man, I feel like I wanna pull. Like, shit, my stomach is hurting. You don't know where there's a restroom? Oh.
Did you go that way?
Over there?
Yeah.
I feel so bad. Yeah, like for real. All right, thank you.
Do you know where there is the restroom?
All the way down there.
Shit.